I found this bunny at Hobby Lobby in the spring section for $3.99. And I'm going to start by removing the little cotton tail that's at the bottom. This is unfinished. And I'm going to paint it with Wise Owl Snow Owl. I'm using a Gen foam brush that I picked up at my local hardware store. And I did end up doing 2 coats. Once dry, I took some sanding block and I just passed over, and it just gives you a nice smooth surface. And I found these Hippity Hop Rae Dunn napkins at Home Goods. Now the package says it has 3 plies, so this means I need to pull off 2 plies from the back. Sometimes they come off together, and sometimes you have to do one at a time. The 3rd ply would actually be your image. I'm going to cut out the words Hippity Hop. Now this white napkin background is going to blend perfectly with the white paint. And then I cut out the little Rae Dunn. I'm going to cut down my image, getting as close as I can and getting rid of some excess napkin. And I'm going to start by taking the 1 hour enamel clear. You could find this sample size at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm going to paint the entire bunny in the 1 hour enamel clear. I'm using my S30 brush. While that's still wet, I'm going to place my napkin, the Hippity Hop, in the center. I'm going to take some saran wrap, and this is going to be the barrier so that I can work out those wrinkles with my brayer. We have the brayer at chalkitupfancy.com as well. And then I'm going to add the little Rae Dunn image to his feet. Then I'm going to go over the decoupaged area again with the 1 hour enamel clear. And then I'm going to allow everything to dry. Once everything dries, I'm going to replace the little cotton tail. And I found this garland at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap it around his neck. And I loved it. It had the tassel of the green and the carrot on the other end. And I'm going to glue it kind of in place so it doesn't, so it falls the way that I want it to. And I used some hot glue and some E6000. And then I took some jute and tied where they came together. And this just held everything together for me. Now you can either use the hanger to hang this on your wall or your door, but I decided to take a Dollar Tree block and glue it to the back. And this is going to allow the bunny to stand. If you want to sit him on a shelf or a mantle or something like that, this is a great idea on making them stand. I find this ribbon garland at the Hobby Lobby. It's $4.99. It's quite long, and I usually get it when it's on clearance or 50% off. And I just love it because if I just need a spray of some buffalo check ribbon, I just pull from that, and it's an inexpensive way. And I added this to the beads. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.